Actually, preaching is entire game of super soul. More you are in connection to super soul, more your preaching becomes stiff. Okay. And whenever you give a lecture, whether lecture was good or not, super soul gives you approval. He gives you marks. Today your lecture was B+. Today it was A-. Grading na super soul se mil jati hai. Whether you do kirtan also na, in kirtan also you get marks from super soul. Today kirtan was A, not A+. Your attitude was not really up. So we get this. But more you become closer to super soul because of bhakti, then you see that your kirtan and your preaching becomes more effective because of your bonding with the super soul. And bonding with super soul happens how? By attachment to Guru. More you are attached to Guru, more that affinity towards Guru gets reflected in one's speech, what one speaks. So the vibrations which are there along with the speech, they connect. Why? Because I'm Guru. And that's why you see those who are addicted to Srila Prabhupada, they effectively preach. But those who are not really attached to Srila much, their preaching doesn't have much of density. So it's about Guru connection. More we have Guru connection, more we have Paramatma connection. More we have Paramatma connection, so vibration comes in the Vani. That brings change, the hearts of the